Oh no. Here we go. What do we got? Come on. It's my birthday today. I'm 55. April 21st, 1965. Yeah, me and the Queen of England. I just gave tea ladies a slip there with their dogs. And now, because of the COVID, people are coming to this park. This used to be me who ever came here because all the people are at work. Now I run into people every single time I come here. And I think I'm going to have to stop coming here because Rio keeps getting in dog fights. Here. Look at that. There we go. And here he is. Hey, buddy. How you doing? Good boy. Hey. Hey, my good boy. You having fun? Eating grass and stuff? Hey, Zoe. Rib. Yeah. I'm not going to do that, but I am going to cross this creek. Give her up this hill. Hopefully there's no other dogs, eh? Something good there, eh? All right. We got some other fencing too. 3 rolls. We'll see how that goes. Those were the posts he had, so 22 posts. That wire, and I got the front edge of this done. It's done for now. Oh. Yeah. You get the idea. put some on the front to discourage the deer, but we're gonna have to do in the rest of the yard here now with wire. Hopefully we got enough, 3 rolls. We'll see. Coffee break. Got her all done. Got her deer wired in now, which worked out pretty well. All those posts went in nicely. I still got to clip the birdie birds' feather, but you get the idea of what's going on here now. We've got, it only took 1 roll of wire, which is pretty cool. So I got to cut all these back, obviously, but that's no problem. Hey Zoe, hey Rio. So yeah, that's where we're at. That's not too straight, but like I said, there's no inspector coming to check it out, so it's in the go to hell department if you don't like it. But worked out.